Starting at front, remove bolts holding rail in place. Then pull until anchors disengage and rail is free from box. Wipe top of bulkhead with alcohol pad. Lift bed cap and apply black sealant. Then adhere wide seal, ensuring seal contacts black sealant. Repeat on opposite side. Starting at one end, align and adhere seal against wide seal and inside edge of box to opposite corner and cut to length. Firmly press adhesive along seal. Ensure inner bed wall below RamBox is clean, then wipe with alcohol pad. At front and rear of RamBox, adhere flat seal flush with top of painted edge and 1 inch past RamBox edge. Repeat on opposite side. Starting at bulkhead, adhere flat seal with seal flush with top of RamBox gutter. Continue to end of bed cap and trim excess seal. Repeat on opposite side. Install brackets to side rail using carriage bolts and serrated flange nuts. Leave finger tight for now. Attach side rail to box. Starting at front, reinsert and tighten factory bolts in side rail brackets. Attach cargo rail to box with nylon anchors. Starting at front, reinsert factory bolts into box. Push side rail down, ensuring brackets slide over factory bolts, then fully tighten starting at the front. Clean end of bed cap with alcohol pad. Trim 1/2 inch off adhesive side of tailgate seal to fit rounded inside corner, then peel backing and adhere. Torque factory bolts, then fully tighten serrated flange nuts. Repeat on opposite side. For remaining cover installation, refer to standard instructions.